Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss very important concept, that is how you can convert string data type to integer and float, that is number data type, and how to convert from number data type to string data type. Okay, very important. Now before going to that, just one small concept I want to discuss. See, in my previous video, I have discussed string concatenation, right? Suppose C equal to hello, D equal to world. Okay, so if I write S equal to suppose C plus D, and if I print S, what I will be getting? I will be getting hello and world as concatenated string in a single. Okay, so here we can give one space, so that space will reflect in our output. So see, in between hello and world, now there is one space. So this using plus we can concatenate two strings. Okay, now there is another way to concatenate two string, and that is very interesting. Suppose I am writing w equal to hello, and then another string I am writing just beside that string. Okay, no operator I have used, no plus sign, no multiplication sign, nothing. Just I have written first string and then I have written second string. Okay, now if I print w, see, w is nothing but concatenation of hello and world. Okay, so in this way also you can do concatenation, and if you give space in between these two strings, that will affect actually nothing. If I run, then also you will be getting hello world. If I run, then also you will be getting hello world. That is two strings whenever you will write consecutively. It need not be two, it may be three, like hello world. Then I am writing here welcome to Python, then I'll be getting hello world, welcome to Python, as it is. Okay, so like this you can also do string concatenation. Now let me directly go to conversion between data types. Okay, so first integer to string. Okay, suppose s equal to 10. What is this type? Simple, right? This is nothing but integer. We want to convert this to string data type. So what we will be writing? W equal to str of s. Okay, str of s will convert the s integer to string representation, and that will be stored in w. Okay, see, if I write type w, see, I will be getting string. Okay, if you print w, so let me make this particular part as comment, and if I print w, see, I will be getting 10, but inside one single quotation, which clearly indicates that this is string. Okay, so this is how you can convert from integer to string, right? Now what is the application or use case of this particular concept? Suppose I am having one number 1595. Okay, I want to get the first digit from the left hand side or right hand side, whatever you think, no problem in both the case, but I am considering left hand side. You want to get the second digit, you want to get the third digit, you want to get the fourth digit. Now if you want to extract while w is in integer, you cannot simply write w of 0. If you run, you will be getting basically error. Sorry, actually w of 0 you have to write. So if I write w of 0, see, we will be getting type error. Int object is not subscriptable. Okay, so basically like that, extraction cannot be done in case of int. Suppose I am writing w of 2, I will be getting error. Okay, but the digit extraction from an integer will be very simple if we follow this particular way. We just convert this to string, and then we can extract any particular digit. Okay, each digit will be treated as character of the string e, like e of 2. If we write, we will be getting 9, which is basically from the left hand side. If you consider positive indexing, it will have index 2. If we write 3, then we'll be getting 5. Okay, and now this is in string format, it is returning. If you want to use in your code to integer, just you need to type cast to int of e3, we'll be getting the integer 5, right? Whatever, if you want, like I can do division in this case, like 1.0 I will be getting, right? So for digit extraction from a number, it is very useful that you convert the integer to string and then extract, and then if you want to do some operation like arithmetic operation, then you can simply convert that string to integer again and do anything. Okay, So this is one of the use case of integer to string conversion. Now, what is another number data type I have discussed, that is float. Suppose I am writing 10.356. Okay, what is this type? Just have a check. Float, right? I am converting that to string. Again, same method, str of d. Okay, now let me just make this particular part as comment. So now if I print D, see 10.356, but this is no longer a floating point number. It is now a nothing but string. See, I am printing type of E, what will be getting? String. Okay, so basically this is how you can convert floating point number to string. Okay, string data type. Now next concept, there is reverse one, string to integer, string to floating point. Okay, how you can do? See, f equal to, I am writing 10. Okay, this is one integer which is now in string data type, because we have defined using single quote. So now if we want to convert this to integer, we will be writing t equal to int of f. You remember while discussing number data type, I have told you int method. We have used that to convert a floating point number to integer, that is decimal part we have truncated using this int method. Same like that, int method can be used to convert string integer, that is integer which is represented as string or which is in string data type. If you want to convert that to integer, then also you can use the same method. I am writing t equal to intf. Now if I print t, see, I will be getting 10, which is nothing but one integer. Now how to convert string to float? Suppose I am writing 10.569. now this is nothing but float. So what we will do, we will use float method. This also I have discussed while discussing number data type, that float method I have shown you to convert an integer number to float, integer data type to float data type. Now this float is used for converting from string to float. Okay, so if I run, see, I will be getting 10.569, which is nothing but float in float data type. Okay, but point to be noted, one thing, don't do mistake in this part. This is a floating point string and you are converting to integer, then simply you will be getting one error, invalid literal for int with base 10, because integer, this particular string cannot be converted to integer because this is floating point number, right? So don't do mistake in this particular type of conversions. Okay, so these are very helpful. Later in my some practice problem, I will be showing examples of these concepts. Okay, so this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.